This was the scene in Al-Alda Health Center in southern Gaza on Monday. A nurse here says children sick from malnutrition and a range of other diseases are arriving for care in unprecedented numbers. This is Ahmed Kanan. His aunt Isra Kalak says he weighs just over 13 pounds, half of his pre-war body weight. This is 12-year-old Yazan Al-Kafana, who died on Monday. Filmed for Reuters on Saturday, he was pale and emaciated, with skeletal limbs. Cerebral palsy made him dependent on a special diet of things like blended fruit and milk, items now unavailable in Gaza. The boy's doctor attributed his death to malnutrition. Nearly 5 months into Israel's air and ground assault, acute shortages of food have led to what the United Nations is describing as a nutrition crisis amid the wider humanitarian catastrophe. Gaza's health ministry said on Sunday that 15 children had died of malnutrition or dehydration at Kamal Adwan Hospital in northern Gaza, the part of the enclave where the lack of food is most extreme. Reuters obtained this video filmed there on Saturday. It shows Anwar Abdelnabi weeping over the body of her daughter Mila, who had just died in her bed. She said Mila had been suffering from calcium and potassium deficiencies but did not specify what caused the child's death. Dr. Ahmad Salem works in the hospital's ICU. He says one of the factors in the high number of child deaths was that new mothers were themselves malnourished and could not breastfeed their children. Deliveries of food aid to the whole of Gaza are falling far short of what is needed. The problem is worse in the north because the only crossings where Israel allows trucks to pass are in the south. And some aid trucks have been seized by desperate crowds before they reach the north. In the latest report from UNRWA, the UN Agency for Palestinian Refugees, it said an average of about 97 trucks a day had been entering Gaza in February, down from about 150 in January. It's well short of the 500 a day target. UN agencies and humanitarian groups have blamed the shortfall on Israel's actions, including the closure of land crossings into northern Gaza.